Think a sluggish throttle means an expensive trip to the mechanic? Think again. That jerky acceleration, weird idle, or delayed throttle response might just be your throttle position sensor crying for a reset. And guess what? You can fix it yourself. No special tools, no money spent. In this video, I'll show you 3 simple methods to reset your throttle position sensor like a pro. Do these right, and your engine will feel smooth and responsive again. Ready? Let's jump straight in. 1. The manual gas pedal method, pedal dance. This is the simplest method, no tools required. It's great for fixing unstable idle, poor throttle response, or sluggish acceleration. Here's how to do it. 1. Park your car safely and turn off the engine. 2. Turn the ignition key to the on position. Don't start the engine. Wait about 3 seconds for the dashboard lights to come on. 3. Slowly press the gas pedal all the way down, hold it for 3 seconds, then release it slowly. 4. Repeat this process 3 times. Don't rush it. Precision is key. 5. Turn off the ignition and wait about 10 seconds. 6. Now start your car and let it idle for a few minutes. That's it. Your throttle position sensor should now be recalibrated. Test the throttle. If it feels smoother and more responsive, the reset worked. 2. The battery disconnect method. This one's a bit more hands-on, but still super easy. It works by clearing the ECU's stored throttle data, forcing it to relearn new sensor values. Follow these steps. 1. Turn off the ignition and let the engine cool. 2. Open the hood and disconnect the negative terminal of your battery using a wrench or socket. Leave it disconnected for 5 to 10 minutes to drain all residual power. 4. Reconnect the terminal securely. 5. Turn the ignition to the on position, don't start the engine yet, and wait 30 seconds. Now start your car and let it idle for 5 to 10 minutes without pressing the gas. This allows the ECU to relearn throttle position and airflow. Take it for a short trust drive. Your throttle should now feel smooth. 3. Reset using an OBD2 scanner. If you own a modern vehicle with an electronic throttle body, this method is the most precise and professional. It directly communicates with your car's ECU to command a throttle position or idle relearn. Here's what to do. 1. Locate the OBD2 port under your dashboard, usually below the steering column. 2. Plug in your OBD2 scan tool and turn the ignition to the on position. Don't start the engine yet. On the scanner, navigate to System Tests, Service Functions, or ECU functions depending on your tool. 4. Look for options like Throttle Position Reset, Accelerator Pedal Relearn, Idle Relearn, or ET Reset. 5. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. These might include turning the ignition off or on, or starting the engine. Once done, the scanner will confirm the reset. Turn off the ignition, unplug the scanner, start the engine, and let it idle for a few minutes. Now take your car for a spin. Your throttle should feel perfectly smooth and responsive. Bonus tip: clean your throttle body. After resetting your TPS, don't forget to clean your throttle body. A dirty throttle body restricts airflow and can cause rough idling and poor acceleration. Clean it every 30,000 to 50,000 miles, depending on your driving conditions. And that's it. The 3 easiest and most effective ways to reset your throttle position sensor and get your engine running like new again. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more DIY car fixes, and drop a comment if you've ever had throttle problems or need help picking the right OBD2 scan tool. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.